4, fractions on number lines. It might also say rational numbers on number lines. You do not take them in your notebook today. This will be in your packet of worksheets. Find the one that says 2.4. We're going to learn how to plot rational numbers on a number line. So it looks like this and says I can plot rational numbers on a number line. So how can I plot numbers on a number line? Well, first we need to look at what these mean. So our numerator, our top number, let's say 3, and our bottom number's denominator is 4. The denominator is the first part we look at on a number line. It's how many it's cut into, how many the number line is cut into from whole number to whole number. How many cut into. Again, from whole number, you need to add that to remember, to whole number. The numerator is where's the point at. It's the dot it's at. It's where the point is. So here's an example, the first one in your notebook. We need to write it as a fraction, so we count from whole number to whole number. We don't count this because it's 0. So here we go, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's cut into ninths. And our point is at 1, 2. So that point, that red dot, is at the fraction 2/9. It's 2/9 of the way to the whole number 1. So let's try this one. Again, we go from whole number to whole number. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the red dot was at the 10/12. We always need to simplify, so that's at 5/6. So that red dot is 10/12 or 5/6 of the way to the whole number. Now what happens if our whole number isn't 0 and 1? It's 3 and 4 here if you look at our whole numbers. We do the same method. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's again cut into fourths. It's at the first spot, but now we have the whole number 3. So it's 3 and 1/4. These we would not put the 0 and 10/12 here. And then we see, can it be simplified? No. So that point on this line is at 3 and 1/4. So now I want you to stop the video and see if you can figure out what these are. First, write the fraction in this spot, in this space, and then you may need to find its equivalent fraction or its simplified fraction and circle A, B, C, D. Go ahead and stop the video now and come back when you are done. All right, from whole number to whole number, we are going from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are 1 spot there, so it's 1/5. So I look, there is no 1/5, but well, we can't have 1/5, 3/5. 5 doesn't go to 6, but it does, if I times by 2, it does go to 2/10. So my answer is letter B. All right, let's take a look at the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4 to get to the whole number. We are at 1, so it's 1/4. So I need to make an equivalent fraction. Can 4 go to 10? The answer is no. Can 4 go to 5? 4 could go to 8, and 4 could go to 16, so we'll try 8 first. If I times by 2, times the top by 2, I'd get 2/8. Well, that is not 4/8. So then let's go to 16. 4 times 4 is 16, and 1 times 4 is 16. So the answer is letter D. Next one. I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to my whole number. I'm at 2/9. 9 cannot go to 10. 9 could go to 36. So let's see if it goes to 36 times 4, which is, 8/36. So the answer is B. Last one, check those whole numbers. Now I'm going between 10 and 11, so I know I will start with the whole number 10. I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm at 1, 2, 3. I'm at 10 and 3/10. This one's there to trick you. It's letter D. So before you get started today, I do want you to go to a couple of websites and take a look and practice. This first one, if it'll open, takes you to this website. Double check that it's obviously in English, and it's going to give you a fraction. You need to type it in. So I would look and say, okay, it's cut into 1, 2. And I am in this case at the second spot. Well, 2 over 2 does equal 1. I hit verify, and if I'm right, I get a smiley face. Let's try another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my denominator is 6, and I'm at 4/6. This one does not make you simplified, but that should have been simplified to 2/3. Let's do one more here. 1, 2. And I'm at the first spot. I verify, and there we go. So you will continue to do about probably 5 to 10 until you feel comfortable. Let's go back here and let's take a look at this other website. Come on. Here it is. Okay, so it'll do kind of the same thing. It says move the dot to 5/6 on the number line. First, I need to cut my number line up. So in this case, the denominator tells me to cut it up 6 times. So I type in the number 6. And then I need to go to the 5th spot. So I would move mine to the 5th spot. And then I would hit check. And it will tell me if I got it. Let's try another one. So this one wants me to tell you where it's at. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm at the 3rd spot, so I'm at 3/8. So go ahead and practice on those websites before you start your homework today.